Hello everyone, this week and today I'm going to show you how to color grade this image from this to this. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use Camera Raw, and it's the same thing as Lightroom. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to start from scratch. Okay, so this is the raw image and you can see the quality is so high. Okay, so this how it's gonna be. Everything is just good. So first you need to just start from the color mixer and always change the objects. So it's always like this, HSL, and change it to color. So it's going to position like this. I don't know how people just used to color grade their stuffs, but I'm showing the easy way to use it. Sorry. So anything you want to do, in Camera Raw, you have to just start from here. I'm talking about the color grade. So I'm going to find out to just get a skin tone. So the skin tone, I think we need to search orange. So from red to orange. So here I'm going to increase the saturation. Okay, saturation. So it depends about the camera you use, or DM me, I will send you this image for you to just start working on. So when you push it into this side, so make it a plus, okay, let's say plus 80. Okay, let's see, plus 80 give us this. And I'm going to move to red, because as you can see red around this side, and the lips too, you can find it there. So when you just increase it, make sure you just make it in the correct way. So you move the hue to 18 to the side. Okay, so anytime you're just working on, just check before and after. Okay, and then let's move to the yellow. So as you can find the yellow side there, and then you increase it. Be careful with it, and then push the hue to this side. Okay, so when you get this, try to move to green. Okay, green. So when you get to green, this green is just a little around here, not much. And then I'm going to move to this side. Then when you increase it, just check it's around here. You can find it around here, and then around to the top there. Just then you can change the hue to make it 61 around here, 61. And let's check before, after. And then I'm going to move to here again, and I'm going to increase this blue color, and I'm going to change it to 30, here to 30, and here plus 71. And here I'm going to move to this side, the luminance to 23. And let's check here too and see if we can find something out. So I'm thinking here is normal, this is normal, so we're going to leave it there. And when you're done, just move to the basic, and here is going to control it. So when you move to the basic, make sure you just jump to the blacks. Okay, the blacks. So when jump to the blacks, it's going to give you this, because when you just want to here to be a little dark and deep black. Okay, so when it gets to there, make sure you just move the contrast to the side. Okay, but be careful with it. And then try to the highlights to move it to 13, here 14, 13. And let's see before and after. Okay, so I'm gonna try this one too, because I need to check the weather. Okay, you can make it much like this, but I just want to make it a little down, 8. And the shadow, don't stress too much, and make sure it's going to be around the side. Check before and after. Okay, I just wanted it to be like cinematic stage, and as you can see, the face looks so natural. And let's see before and after. So when you're done with it, try to move the vibrance to a little top, and saturation a little sort of like this. Okay, and let's move to the optics and just turn here to the side, my point here. So it's going to die the side inside and give you a cinematic. Was it check? Okay, so more deep. Let's see before and after. Then when you save it, okay, when you save it, make sure you're gonna change the eye. Okay, the eye color to white. But be careful, don't destroy it. Sometimes you have to allow the line, the line color to be natural. You don't have to make it, I mean, straight white. Okay, that's why sometimes you need to be careful with it. Okay, so guys, I'm awake, and subscribe to my page, and I'm gonna drop more videos for you to learn. And this is so cool and beautiful. See you for the next video. Bye.